Hi guys! We are back. We will be doing the...
Our try on bikinis.
My husband picks my bikini video. Yes. So this video is kindly sponsored by Cupshe. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Thank you. So what we did was, Dan picked up swimwear for me. Summer na sa Australia, guys. So, kailangan mo ng mga swimsuit. I think meron kaming 10 pieces of swimwear. And what we did was, he picked 5 and I picked 5. Kasi gusto ko na, meron din naman akong like yung gusto ko ba. Hindi ko kasi alam kung anong pipiliin niya. Baka yung mga sobrang sexy naman, hindi naman natin masusuot.
Open it up?
Yes, open it up. Just grab whatever and see if... By the way, guys, the links of everything will be in the description box. So, feel free to... Oh, that looks big, babe.
It's small.
It is small. Everything is small. Meron atang extra small na pinili ko.
I picked it because it's nice looking.
Yeah.
It's a one piece. I don't like this part.
Yeah, the lace detail. I think I can already tell it's going to be way too big.
These are all going to be too big then. They're all smalls.
Yeah. By the way, I will be inserting pictures, guys, of how it looks like actually. Kasi yung katawan ko hindi siya pang typical na katawan. Ang liit ko kasi. So, I'm usually like a size extra small. Sometimes nga sa mga online, mas malaki talaga yung extra small. I can already tell that this is gonna be way too big. Cupshe, guys, the fabric, the material is really good.
Yeah, it is good.
Very good quality. Like, hindi siya see-through. Like, ito double-lined siya. So, hindi talaga siya see-through. This color is perfect as well. But yeah, it looks like that. Siguro ibibigay ko to sa kambal ni Dan. Siguro magkakasya to sa kanya. At may patag yung Cupshe. Ganyan. Next one.
You chose this one.
I think I did.
Why did you choose this one? Please explain.
It looks really good. Isa to sa mga pinakasikat na swimwear nila, guys. This is one of the... See? That one looks a bit small.
Nah, too big for you.
No, it's adjustable.
Okay.
I'll try it. But it looks like this picture here. It looks really nice sa babe, sa Instagram. And the print is like that. So, siya, meron siyang ba yan? Very light pink, green, blue. Two-piece din siya, pero meron siyang peekaboo dito. So, try natin.
Wow.
Too big. Guys, malaki naman. Uy, ang ganda sana ng kulay. Sobrang laki dito, guys. Oh. And then yung dito din, parang naka-diaper. Ang laki. But ang ganda sana niya. Kung kasya to, ang ganda sana. Kung ganyan, i-pull ko yung sa likod. Like, i-adjust ko yung sa likod. Ang ganda sana ng top. I really like the color. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's nice. Nice color.
Just doesn't fit me.
Doesn't fit, yeah.
Next one.
Did I choose this one or you choose this one?
I'm not sure. I think I did. I think I chose this one.
You think you chose this one?
Yes. And I think that looks a bit... I'm not sure about that one.
No, they're all going to be the same though.
It's another one piece. I chose this one. Hey, maybe this will fit me. We will see. Pero, yeah. Again, very nice quality. It has the details here, oh. Very... ang ganda ng details niya, guys. As in... Yan. And then, yung dito niya din. Ganyan din yung details niya. Yung pambaba, guys, malaki. Pero yung taas, okay lang naman, babe. Meron din siyang built-in na padding na maganda. The top looks good. That looks...
Yeah, they're nice babies. They're just too big for you.
Yeah. Kung dito mo lang titingnan, okay lang. Kasi sa baba, malaki yung panty na area niya.
It's good quality.
Yeah, it's really good.
It is good quality.
Ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda nito. Yung dito, perfect na perfect siya. I can just wear this to the beach if hindi ako magsiswimming and magsuot lang ako ng short. The back looks like this. Is it adjustable, babe? The strap? Is it adjustable, the strap?
What do you mean adjustable?
Parang adjustable ba siya? So natatay siya. Okay. Alright. So it looks like that. Ang ganda ng quality nito. And this looks really nice here, babe. Right?
Yeah, that looks good. I chose these ones.
I see those everywhere, but I don't really choose it for myself because I don't think it will fit me.
So I chose these because Ray's likes pineapple, so they're just pineapple printed bikinis.
Ooh.
Wow.
Oh babe, that's so skimpy.
That's where your butt goes. That's the front.
Okay, let's try that one.
Stuff that looks good.
Yeah, it's 2-piece obviously guys, and oh, it's not adjustable babe. This is gonna be tricky. Hindi siya adjustable, ganyan lang siya yung strap. And ano siya, halter top. Okay, we'll see.
Oh,
good?
Wow.
I don't like it.
Wow.
I don't like it. Oh no, it's 2-piece.
Oh, you can't see much.
No, it's very open here. It's very open.
They're very cheeky.
They are very cheeky.
Yeah, they look good.
The back looks like that. Hindi siya kasya sa akin completely guys. So, hindi kasi siya adjustable.
If you like something sexy, a little bit risque, these are
This is
nice.
way too risque.
Not really.
It is!
Oh.
Look!
That's not that bad.
Look!
That's not that bad. That's only a little bit of nipple.
What's this?
I reckon I chose these as well.
You did? Okay, we'll see. Is that reversible?
No, I don't think so.
No?
No, I think it's just...
Oh!
I think it's just one piece again.
Did you choose that?
Yeah, I chose this.
That's a nice one.
I choose nice stuff, babe. So you got lighter on the top, brown bottoms, all one piece.
Yeah.
Give it a go. These are nice.
It's very high. It's very high here.
These are nice, babies.
Do you like it?
I do like. I think I've chosen some really good ones.
You do?
They just don't fit you, but they're really nice babies. So if you got a bigger chest, a bit taller,
Oh. Yeah.
these will look great. These are a bit, but maybe because you're a bit short, or maybe how come they look a bit baggy there, don't they?
I think they're meant to look baggy, but here it's just too big for me. But then the back. Wow, look at the back, babe. Did you?
The quality is really good actually. We're not just saying that, it's actually
sobrang ganda
good
talaga ng
quality.
quality, guys. Adjustable din yung strap niya, guys, sa likod.
I'd probably say these are perfect for girls that aren't petite.
Yes.
Yeah, no, not petite. If you're petite, these are probably going to be too big for you.
I think I chose
I don't know where to
this.
start on that. Where is it?
Yes, so it is, oh, it looks small, babe. I think it will fit me. Ang ganda! Do you like the color? White and very bright yellow, guys. So one shoulder, and yung detail ng ano niya, tela niya. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it's kind of like, what do you call that? Ribbed? Ano siyang
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, try natin.
That's probably the best fitting so far.
Told ya! Look how good that looks with my tan skin.
It looks good.
Yeah.
It's got a bit of thread there.
Wow. That looks like that, guys. Perfect yung fit nito sa akin. It fits perfectly.
Yeah, it's nice.
It is.
It looks good, mate.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. It's a nice. It's a nice one.
And ang ganda ng material, guys. Yung rib na material. It's so pretty. And this is it small?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
So
size?
maliit siya na small. Yes.
Yeah, the size is small.
Yeah, maliit siya na small, guys. So if you are petite, go for this one.
Yeah.
Yung likod nito, hindi din siya ganun ka, you know, hindi siya ganun ka, what do you call that, revealing yung likod, tama lang siya.
Next one.
I chose this. This is one of their popular ones as well.
Is it?
Yes. I love this color. Look at this color.
Yeah, it's a nice print as well.
Yeah, sobrang ganda ng print. The quality is really nice kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng quality nito. Isa to sa mga sobrang sikat nila, nasa Instagram nila, ang ganda. Yan, try natin. It is a bit loose, but I think we can make it work.
Let me do the back.
I'll do the front. So, meron siyang string sa harap, guys. And pwede mo siyang higpitan.
Not quite perfect.
Not quite perfect. The top is the top area.
Yeah, it's nice though.
Ang ganda ng
Nice one.
kulay! Do you like the color?
I love it.
Sobrang
Yeah.
gusto ko yung kulay din niya.
Really good bikinis.
Oh, the back looks like that, guys. Yan.
Pattern's good.
Pattern is really good, the
Yeah.
print. Yeah.
So if you say 5'2", 45 kilos and above, this is probably would be. I chose this one. This was one of mine.
Okay. Too big. Way too big. Oh, this will fit
Way too
Ant.
big?
This will fit Ant. Yes, kasya to sa ano yung kambal niya, guys.
This
Yes.
will fit me, I reckon.
Look how big that is, my love!
You got no chance.
Yeah! Ang ganda nitong kulay na to.
These will fit me.
You know what? This will fit her. We can give this to her.
Yeah, we'll get that to them.
Yeah. Kasya to sa kambal niya, guys. Ang ganda pa naman ng katawan nun. So, it looks like that. And it has that rouging detail sa likod. So, it makes your bum looks good. And that one looks really good as well. Ang ganda ng color. You did really well, babe.
I know. I'm a good mechanic.
Yeah, this is really nice, guys. Yung quality niya, as in, sobrang nice talaga. Tingnan nyo nga yung stitching, yung details. Ang ganda nito. Okay, next.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it. That's all of them.
Oh, that's it. Oh, guys, that is it. Did we get 10?
I don't know, but we've got plenty.
So, ililive ko yung link ng mga swimwear sa description box as well as Cupshe. The quality is very good, guys. Thank you again, Cupshe, for sponsoring this video, and thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
That is it for this video, guys. Please like if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already.
And please buy the bikinis because they're actually very good.
It is actually really good.
They're very good. I reckon these are one of the best ones you've tried on.
Yeah.
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 But they're not cheap at all. They will.
No, hindi talaga siya cheap quality. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Be good. Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.